In this video, I will show you how you can easily make a repository private to public or public to private very easily. But before that, I just need to say, if you have not subscribed my channel, please hit the subscribe button and like this video so it will help other developers and students also to learn. Okay, so see, this is the repository which I need to make it private. Right now it is in public state, which you can see at the top. The repository name is node.js and it is right now in public state. So to make it private state, I just need to click on the settings and scroll to the bottom. Then you can see there is written change repository visibility. This is a very important thing, change repository visibility. You just need to click change repository visibility, then it will show change to private because it is right now in public. If your repository is already in private, it will show change to public, not so change to private. Okay, as it is in public, so I will just click on change to private. Then I want to make this repository private. I understand. Then it will ask the confirmation. To confirm, type the number of stars on this repository box. So I can see here it is 2 stars. So I will click on make this repository private. It may ask you some questions like your passwords. If it asks, just give your password, then it would be done. Then you can see previously it is written public, right now it is written private. So this video is helpful for you. Click on the like button and press the subscribe button. That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching.